change is the only constant. Change may bring happiness, sadness, wins, challenges, pressure. The list is endless. But this also provides the focus and motivation for Depromat to use size and scale to thrive on change. Society, you see today, is evolving faster than ever.
China is battling a new and rapidly spreading respiratory virus. The number of people infected has tripled to more than 200.
Life is full of surprises, but the truth is, normal life is an extraordinary one. One has to sit and reflect on where they have come from.
Beijing has confirmed the number of people who have died from a new type of respiratory virus in China has now passed 40.
The organisation declared the outbreak an international public health emergency. The organisation virus has now spread, mainly in China, with more than 8,000 confirmed infections there.
We live in a world of duality. At Depromat, we believe that every beginning has an end, and nothing, absolutely nothing lasts forever. Project management has taught us that every project has a definite beginning and ending, which is why we recommend the global society to apply the principles of project management to address the coronavirus, be it pandemic or plandemic. Depromat is committed to social responsibility, to support and help communities worldwide. As much as it hasn't come to stay, the coronavirus has given us more understanding, more resilience, and creative business thinking. Our confidence remains in project management, the single most effective discipline to address the global shake-up. Let us thrive in this change.